Good morning, everyone. I am Ravindra Daya, your English teacher. As we are continuing our story, the Robinson Crusoe, this is the third video about this topic, and we have already explained the story about this topic and this story. Okay, so now we will move on to the new words of this story. Okay, the first new word here is savages. So savages are wild people, or you can say untamed people in primitive state. In primitive state means they are untamed and they live here and there, and they hunt animals, or even they can hunt men for their eating. Next one is mainland. Mainland is large continuous extent of land. Suppose we are if we consider India in this example, the mainland of India is only that area which has been connected to the country, such as we are having some we can say some areas of India which is not connected with India, such as Andaman Nicobar Island and Lakshadweep Island. So they are not connected to India. So mainland is not connected with them. So the mainland of India is except those two. The third is wandered. Wandered means you are going to a place without any perfect route, or without any perfect way. You do not know the route. Definite route is not there. Next one is bolder. Bolder means you are very confident about anything. You are very focused on that thing, and you say everything with a lot of confidence at that place. At any place you can say, then it means you are bolder. Next one is inhabited. Inhabited means occupied, dwelled in, or taken, you can say. Inhabited basically means where the habitat where you live, the place where you live, all around you, the place all around you is inhabited. Such as you are living in your home, or you can say that you are living in Kazipet, you are living in anywhere in Warangal in India. So that is your inhabited. Okay. So now we will move on the question part. The first question here is, what made Robinson Crusoe think that the print on the ground was a footprint? We all know that Robinson Crusoe has found some footprints on the land near the seashore. So Robinson thought that the print was a footprint because it has toes, heels, and all other part of foot. Okay, of human foot. So he considered that the print was a footprint. Second question here is, why was Robinson afraid when he looked at the bushes and trees? Robinson was very terrified when he had seen the footprint. So he was afraid because he mistook every bush and tree to be a man. Next one is, why did Robinson pray when he saw the footprint? Robinson was very terrified by seeing the footprint because he was taking that footprint as a footprint of savages, and savages, we all know that they are untamed people, you can say, sorry. So untamed people, those people can eat anyone, or you can say eat animals or men also, so humans also. So Robinson thought that it was the footprint of savages, they can catch him and eat, so he prayed for protection. Okay, next question is here, you have to, fourth question, you have to choose the correct answer. Okay, this one, the first part is, Robinson can run back to his home as fast as he could because he was afraid by seeing the footprint. Next one is, he could not sleep. Why he could not sleep at night? Because he thought that savages had came from the mainland and they will eat him. Next question is, why was Robinson Crusoe sure that it was not his footprint? The option here is, he had not came to this part of the beach in a long time, so he was quite sure about that the footprint was not his footprint. Next one is, where was Robinson Crusoe? Robinson Crusoe was alone on an island. That is why he was terrified a lot. He was frightened a lot because he was alone there. Now we will consider our let us talk portion. The first question here is, how would you feel if you saw unknown footprints outside your front door? Suppose you open your front door and on the front door in that direction, so you found someone's footprint. What do you think about that one? Okay, so I have answered it that I would feel just like Robinson Crusoe did, because if you will find any unknown footprint there, you also have a bit of fear in your mind. That is why I answered it like that. Next one is, if you were alone at home and suddenly someone knocked at your door, what would you do? In this case, we can only do something. See, we will go to that door. If you are having a pinhole in that door, you can see through that hole whether the person who is knocking at your door is your relative, is a known person to you, or is it an unknown person. If you if you see through the pinhole, if the person is a known person, or you can also ask to speak, who are you, like that. If that is a known person, you can open the door. If that is a known person, you can ask him or her to come again after some time, because you are alone at your home and you must think about your safety also. So I have answered it. I will go to the door and ask who is there. If someone whom I know will be at the door, I will open. Otherwise, I will ask to come later. So this is it about our questioning part. You will write all these new words and let us read portion questions and let us talk only. We will continue with our fourth video in our next class with let us write portion. Okay. I hope all of you are doing your studies very well, and all of you are staying at your home, because this is, in this current situation, we are supposed to sit back at our home, but we are not supposed to discontinue. Hello friends, it is a humble request for you to subscribe this channel and also tap on the bell icon, so you will get all my videos what we are uploading in this YouTube channel, and you will get all the details about your class videos, about every chapter, about every questions that we have explained there. So in this case, you will subscribe this channel, so you will get all the notifications that we are making videos about that topic also. And second thing is, if you like that video, hit on the like button, and also if you are having any doubt, any comment you want to mention, you can also comment on that comment box. Thank you. Have a nice day.